In this video, I am going to be demonstrating how to bind off in a 1x1 rib. This particular project is my Alpine Bloom top, which ends, as you can see, in the 1x1 rib. And sometimes the problem people have with a regular bind off is they just bind off too tightly. Occasionally, they may bind off on the loose side, which kind of causes it to wave a little bit at the bottom. I find this technique to be a good way to keep it nice and even. It's an attractive bind off. It looks the same on both sides, right side and wrong side. Has a little bit of stretch, but not too much. And it's just an easy way to keep it even, as opposed to the standard bind off. So let me get started. Let me see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and you'll have a good view of what I'm doing. So the first stitch is a knit stitch. I go in with my crochet hook to that knit stitch as if to knit. I bring the yarn around my crochet hook and pull it through the stitch and remove the stitch from the needle. Now I have the 2 stitches on my crochet hook and I pull that last one through the first one, and that's completed. Now my next stitch is a purl. As you would, yarn comes to the front for a purl stitch. I go in the front of that purl stitch as if to purl, bring the yarn around the hook and out, and remove it from my needle. I now have the 2 stitches on my hook and pull it through. Now there's a knit stitch presenting. Yarn is in the back. I will go in as if to knit, scoop up that yarn, pull it through the stitch and slide it off the needle, and then pull that stitch through the one on the hook. And you can see, I will show you after this purl stitch what a nice look you get on your work. You see that nice stitch that you get there? How nice is that? And you can see it's just a little stretchy, and I find it to be an easy way, because with the regular bind off, you're always concerned about, is it loose enough? Do I need to pull tighter? Is it too tight? And in many cases, it ends up being too tight. Now with this particular technique, if I wanted a looser stitch, I would simply use a larger hook size. I find it to be a great way. It's always nice to know another technique you can add to your toolbox so that your bind offs can be nice and neat. Thank you for joining. Talk soon.